Welcome back to Dad Deals for this week's edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. In this video, I'll share all the deals that I think are worth checking out across all the stores and sites. And as usual, all links to the items are going to be posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links, and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support my channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax. Let's check out the best online deals for this week. So first up, as I predicted in my last Harbor Freight video, the parking lot sale has been extended through this weekend. That starts today. You will need to show a coupon to get all the deals, but they are pretty much all there. So if you need a refresher, that's going to be 30% off all the Pittsburgh floor jacks, 40% off all of the Icon wrench sets. That's going to be the one you want to get to fast. 50% off all mesh and extreme duty tarps, 50% off all of the disposable gloves. You, of course, also have the Icon mini flex head ratchet and bit set. That is $28. Great buy there. That's that meme tool that everyone's been talking about. And you still have that mini steel toolbox from US General. That's $14. It's a great price to pick one up. My store had a ton in stock, so you shouldn't have any problem finding one. And of course, that even includes the 5-drawer mechanics cart at $200. So if you missed out on any of those deals, get there this weekend. It's great to see these back. Next up, we have a Costco deal. This is the Rio swinging hammock chairs. This is a 2-pack, and they are $20 off at $60. So if you need some chairs to enjoy some summer nights and maybe outdoor concerts in your area, these are great. They're also great camping chairs, and they have cup holders in them, which is awesome. Switching over to Amazon, of course, Amazon did announce that Prime Day is going to be July 8th, so we're kind of on the road to Prime Day here. You're going to start seeing those deals drop. I'll have everything covered for you, and of course, have a video on Prime Day breaking it all down. But here's some good Amazon deals that you can pick up right now. Here's a 5-pack of gym shorts. You can really never have too many of these. I always want a pocket in my gym shorts. That's a must for me, and these have a nice pocket in them. So you can get 5 of them for $25, so $5 a pair. Here's another nice deal on the Govee Life Smart Water Leak Detector. So if you have any areas of your house that you're concerned about a water leak, maybe your laundry room, maybe you have a water heater in the attic or an HVAC unit in the attic or a well pump or really anything you might be worried about, these are great. They'll alert you if it detects any water. They'll also let out an audible alarm sound. But this pack is $38.50, but you can also redeem this 15% off promo code. And there's some other specials here if you buy 2 or more products, but $38.50 alone is a great price, so definitely check this out. Next up, in the world of USB-C and USB-A ports, we're kind of still in that transition time. It's great to have one of these. This has both on each end. It's a memory card reader, so it can handle any SD cards, micro SD cards that you have. And this is a great price right now at just $10. Next up, we have a survival kit. This kit actually beats the Harbor Freight price. They have a similar one on the Gordon brand. I really can't pronounce the brand on this one, but it's a great price. Looks good, $30. And then you're going to get a 20% off promo code that you can select here. But this looks like it's a nice kit. Comes in a nice case. This seems to be an after Father's Day deal, but if you still get use out of it, maybe a gift for yourself, this is a great price. Next up, we have a nice combo kit of Sharpie markers. This has all of them, fine point, regular tip, and the chisel tip. But it's a 6-pack here for just $5.45. This You the Fan brand has a bunch of stuff on sale over at Amazon. Here's a cutting board. You can get your favorite NFL team. They also have some hockey teams and baseball teams as well. But here's the cutting board in the Miami Dolphins. But there's a bunch of teams you can pick here at $8.19. You also have the desk pad. This is $12. Now, these don't show a discount, but these are about half off the normal price. You could find these elsewhere. So a great time to stock up maybe on some upcoming Christmas gifts if you have any sports fans in your family. Here's another one. This is a flying disc, maybe looks like for a dog, at $7.91. And then last up, we have this pretty cool oven mitt at $6.20. So really great prices here on some sports teams, NFL, MLB, NHL, logoed stuff. If you're into pickleball, it's a great time to get out and play. Here's a nice set from Jula. You're getting 2 paddles, 4 balls, and a case for $53. And these aren't the cheap paddles. These are the fiberglass ones. They're lightweight and would be a great starter set. And then one more Amazon deal here. We have the Meguiar's Hot Shine Tire Foam at 67% off at just under $4. So a great price on this to add to your car detailing collection. Next up, over at Walmart, they have a nice clearance item. Here's a portable outdoor charcoal grill. Comes with all the accessories that you might need. So a nice little set here for tailgating or camping, and it's just $44. That's over half off the normal price. Now switching gears over to Home Depot. Both Home Depot and Lowe's have kind of started an early 4th of July savings going on right now. At Home Depot, you can get this Diamond Grit Ryobi driving bit set at just $15. It's a 52-piece set, nice clear top case. Here's another kind of portable tailgate camping style grill. I really like this design, kind of like a bowl shape, but it is just $40. This is a deal of the day, as most of these Home Depot deals are, so you're going to need to jump on these fast. This one even comes with a carrying case, so just a really nice grill on the go. A more full-size grill here is the 5-burner from Royal Gourmet. Has the sear burner on the end and also a side burner as well for $275. It's a great price. If you really want to step things up and want to upgrade to an outdoor kitchen, a lot of that stuff is on sale right now over at Home Depot for today only. But here's one that comes with a sink and a grill built in, some cabinets at $2,906, so pretty expensive, but this is 45% off what they normally go for. They also have some wood pellets. If you have a pellet grill, this 3-pack is $53. Here's a nice sale on the Aper pool cleaners. Here's one specifically for above ground pools, but they also have pretty much all of them available at Home Depot right now. This one's on sale for $140. Some hot tubs are on sale if you really want to upgrade your outdoor space. This is a 4-person version with a waterfall feature at $2,600, which is about 50% off the normal price. Some outdoor patio stuff is on sale. Here's a 3-piece set, 2 rocking chairs, and an end table at $428. Here's a wicker style sectional with a chair and a table for $680. Some nice premium zero gravity chairs. These look like they have really nice cushions on them. This is a 2-pack. I like the side tables that these have. 2 cup holders, looks like maybe a tablet holder or book holder. And these are $112 for the 2-pack. And then last up at Home Depot, we have this patio umbrella, has some solar lights built into it, and this is $60. All right, switching over to Lowe's, they actually have this Project Source Flexi Mist hose. Now this isn't on sale, but I think it's a great price and a great thing to have with this summer heat here. I don't know about you guys, but in my area, we're having a major heat wave right now. But this could just hook up to a garden hose and provide some nice cooling mist at just $25. Also at Lowe's, they have a nice price on their 48-foot Harbor Breeze outdoor string lights. These are LED and it's $35. If you need to clean any outdoor siding, fences, patio furniture, anything like that, this is the 30-second cleaner. And this is the specifically mold and mildew version. And this is $5 off right now at $15. These Zevo fly and gnat traps actually work really well. But here's a starter kit for them. You can actually get cheaper refills on Amazon, but this is going to come with 1 unit and 1 refill. And this is $20 right now, but if you're a member, you get $5 off. Remember that membership at Lowe's is totally free to join. So you can get this for $15. Here's another Royal Gourmet grill, this time at Lowe's. This is a massive 6-burner with that sear and a side burner at $400. So if you have a large family or a lot of people to feed, this could be a nice grill. From Craftsman, they have their 52-inch wide rolling steel cabinet. This is the 10-drawer unit at $400. Also from Craftsman, they have their gas-powered pressure washer here. It's the 3,400 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute. That's a really nice one. And this is $400. You also have some Weed and Feed. This is the Stay Green brand. That's Lowe's house brand. Really good products. And I think they're very competitively priced. But this is the 31-pound bag, 12,000 square foot coverage at $50, $10 off. Here's an awesome deal I mentioned last time, but this is still going on. This is the Cobalt 24-volt battery system. You're getting 2 batteries, a charger, and a nice case that's compatible with their case stack system. And then you can pick a free tool. So here I have the reciprocating saw picked, but there's a lot you can choose from here, and all this for just $100. Also for $100 or $99, here's the Craftsman VersaStack. This is the 230-piece standard and metric mechanics toolkit. Comes in a nice drawered case here. You normally see this around Black Friday, but this is the price it normally is. So you can pick it up now. They're actually having Craftsman days over at Lowe's. So a lot of good Craftsman deals going on. And then last up here, I always like to mention these. These are the kids' crafts. They're completely free. The next one's going to be tomorrow, June 21st, and that's over at Lowe's. It's going to be a door knocker. And today is actually the last day to register for this, so make sure you go and register for it and take your kids or grandkids there. It's a great time, totally free activity. So definitely go check that out. And that's all the deals for this week. As always, please give the video a like if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Again, please use those links in the description below and in the YouTube shopping feature. Thank you all for watching, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.